To assemble the machine, drag the part to its place like this. Done! Let's choose the refueling gun of the same color as the Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the Keep up the good work. Let's sample the soil for nutrients. Let's start foaming the machine. Amazing! We need to assemble a fertilizer sprayer truck. Don't stop! Now we need to fuel the fertilizer sprayer truck. Press the pump. Done! Let's apply mineral fertilizer into the soil. Pour the coolant. Done! First, let's assemble a plow tractor. Hooray! Let's fuel the plow tractor. Pump. Press the pump. We did it! Let's remove the remains of dry plants. We need to wash the plow tractor. You're doing really great. First, let's assemble a pre-sowing unit. First, let's fuel the pre-sowing unit. Pump. We did it! Let's prepare the soil for sowing. Drag the pistons to the empty slots. That's all. Let's assemble a covered truck. Hooray! Let's fuel the covered truck. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's buy wheat seeds. the forward button for the vehicle to move. Tap on the forward button for the vehicle to move. Tap on the forward button for the vehicle to move. Tap on the forward button to continue moving. Here we are! We need to assemble a seating machine. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the seating machine. Pump. That's all. Let's prepare the seeds and sow the field. It's time to repair the engine. Pour the coolant. Let's connect the wires by their colors. Don't stop. Let's assemble a rotary spreader truck. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fuel the rotary spreader truck. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's fertilize wheat sprouts. We need to wash the rotary spreader truck. Keep up the good work. First, let's assemble a harrow tractor. We did it! First, let's fuel the harrow tractor. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's clear the field from weeds. Drag the gears into the empty slots. Connect the wires of the same color. That's all. We need to assemble a sprayer truck. Hooray! Let's fuel the sprayer truck. Pump. You're doing really great. It hasn't rained for a long time and the soil is dry. We need to water it. We need to wash the sprayer truck. Move the brush to done. First, let's assemble the grain harvester. Hooray! First, let's fuel the grain harvester. Press the pump. Don't stop. The weeders are already ripe. It's time to reap them. Let's fix the engine. Pour the coolant. That's all. Let's assemble a pickup harvester. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the pickup harvester. Pump. We did it! Let's thresh the reaped weeders and load them into the grain truck. Let's wash the pickup harvester. We did it! We need to assemble a grain truck. Ready. Let's take wheat to the plant. Tap on the forward button to continue moving. We made it! Keep it up! Let's make flour from the collected grains. Clean the engine from dirt. It's time to repair the engine. Put the gears into the right slots. Don't stop. Let's assemble a flour truck. That's all. First, let's fuel the flour truck. Pump. Ready. We made it! Keep it up! Let's bake bread from the flour and bring it to the store. Great! We've managed to grow wheat and bake delicious bread.